Hi there, this is Dark Shadow, and let us talk about education. Yes, education is necessary. Education is our standard of life. But remember, education is not everything. It is not about success and failure. It is not an end, but only a path. Not everything we need to know is we can get from books and lectures. In school, be gentle to yourself. Grades, I say it, do not make who we are at the end of the day. It is not an end but a passage set a standard by the society. True success happens after years of study. Life after education is a different world. It is more about experience, money, connection, and conviction. Right now, begin now the journey of your success. Put it in your mind that every day, your definite goal is to make yourself better, professionally and personally. The world has a lot to offer. Do not focus on your study alone, but focus on your life as a whole. Enjoy your education, but not ruin your education. Keep in mind that education is not about preparation for who you want to be in your life, but it is your life that you are creating right now. Do not focus on your grades, focus on your life. Thank you for watching and God bless.